Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the camera speed settings in Supervive. To change the camera speed setting in Supervive, first click on the game menu icon in the top right corner, then go into the settings. In the settings, make sure you're in the camera section. Then scroll down a bit and look for the camera speed setting. Here you can change how quick the camera will pan, from 1 being the slowest and 10 being the fastest. As you can see, it's quite a gradual progression, so you can exactly pinpoint the level that you like. For example, I will go for this specific amount, whatever, I will max it out on 10. And then, to confirm the changes, I'll simply click outside of the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe. Also let us know what games would you like to see covered next.